Hi, my name is Krisztian Jani and I'm the asset manager for Submarine cables at Elia. You can join us at the Subsea Cable Installation, Asset Management and Reliability 2026, where I will be presenting about a new approach for cable fault pinpointing offshore. Please enjoy the following short video on the topic and see you soon. Offshore wind is growing fast, but cable fault location offshore remains a major challenge for us. It's costly, it involves vessel logistics, and it takes some time. Our objective was to demonstrate our capability to consistently detect and accurately locate faults on buried subsea cables. With this pilot project, we actually want to set new standards for offshore fault location.
It is indeed impressive what the team has accomplished in the last 2 years. Looking forward, we plan to optimize the methods to make pinpointing with the AIS faster and more reliable. It means that we can integrate more renewable energy into the grid with greater reliability.
This method is a game changer for the offshore energy sector. While we develop this to solve our own internal operational challenges, we believe it has potential far beyond the Elia Group.